guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different for me. I'm going to be hitting this plant a lot, but I figured I need something in the background. So today I am going to be doing Amazon products that I don't regret buying and 3 that I do. Let's go ahead and get started because there's a lot of stuff. I will do the things I regret at the end if you want to just look at those, but there's only 3 because I'm obsessed with Amazon. That didn't help at all. So the first thing I got is actually this ring light stand. And it is just so cool. It's tabletop and it was like less than 30 bucks, I want to say, or just about 30 bucks. Holds my phone. You can put your phone any direction. It has warm light, blue light, I think like daylight kind of, a little remote setting. And it is just so convenient. I do have a bigger ring light that was, I don't know, like 100 bucks or so, but that is just a pain in the bleep to carry around the house, and I don't have a filming room. My kids have bedrooms, which is more important. So this thing has just been like so great because even if the sun or clouds or anything goes in and out, it's like, at least it's consistent lighting. So that is something that I was actually really excited. The second thing is this shirt. It is just a white tank. It kind of has like a scoop in the bottom and the front and back. Has a little pocket here and short sleeve, not too short. It's not a cap sleeve, it's just regular short sleeve, V-neck. Really nice. It is thinner, so you know, it's not completely see-through. It's not like distressed or anything, but it is just a nice lightweight tee. I'll link it down below. I really like it. I also got 2 tie-dye tank tops, or sleeveless tops rather, that I really like. The first ones I ordered, one was way too big and the other one was a material I just wasn't expecting. It was like ribbed but not good quality, so I returned those and bought these 2 instead. Love them. I bit the bullet. I bought a 3-pack of black bike shorts. Yeah, I got these bike shorts and I really like them because on the right side it has that built-in pocket that I could put my phone and my AirPods in, which is great. So I got those and really liked it. The next product, that's pretty much like beauty and fashiony stuff. This is the last item like that. This is the Misha BB cream. It's the Perfect Cover BB cream. I have it in number 25 and very random SPF 42. I love this. I like light coverage, and it is light coverage, but it is definitely more coverage than a typical BB cream. I feel like most BB creams, when you get them, it's like a tinted moisturizer. You know, it's not doing much. This is beautiful. It's flawless. It's not like sticky or tacky on the skin. You still look like, you know, you can still see your skin. It's beautiful. I highly recommend that. The next thing is another item that is not for toddlers, but because I got it because we have toddlers. We have Apple TV and these remotes get lost all the time. All the damn time. So I got these covers. I saw them. I forgot who I saw had them. I don't know if it was like a YouTuber had recommended it or if I just saw it on Amazon or a friend had it. I got a 2-pack. I got one orange, one for our front room remote, and then this is for the TV that's in this back room. It's just nice because it's bright so you can see it. Like, this has been a lifesaver. It's actually really cute. Like, my kids know that the red one's in the back room, the orange one's in the front room, you know. But yeah, this has been a lifesaver. Super cheap. It was like 6 or 7 bucks. It is what it is. Okay, what else? I did it. I bought the mix and shop. I couldn't not buy it. Again, Jessica Braun, stop making me buy stuff, but keep making me buy stuff if they're life-changing. Okay, is this life-changing? Yes. I love this guy. It is shaped like that, and it is just so great for any kind of ground meat. Like if you're gonna make tacos or spaghetti sauce and put meat in it, like sausages, even just breaking up the meat, it makes it so much easier. I'm a little distracted because my husband's outside working, doing some man labor out there. Looking good. What you looking at, boo? So anyway, this is really great. You know, I would just use a spatula and just chop it up, but this really helps to get it more of like a finer meat texture. Sounds really weird, but I think you know what I'm talking about. So this is something that I think is a must-have for the kitchen. If you cook like with ground beef, turkey, chicken, whatever, I find it amazing. So another thing I have here is this electric lighter. Like, how cool is this? So it has the on button here, and you can see that's what it does. Actually, this is the on button. There's like a switch here, and you can see it's like all charged up. It has a cord, so it charges there. So now it's off, it won't turn on and off. But if it's on, that, and then you just put the wick right in there. So your candles, it's nice, you can hook it. You don't have to get too close. So it's just nice like this. You know, obviously it's taking energy to charge it and use it and stuff like that, but I'm not contributing to the landfill, so that's good. The next thing is this pill organizer. Guys, this is like adulting 101 over here with all these things, you know, like just basic things. I watched Tara Henderson here on YouTube, and she got this. This is what it looks like. It's Monday through Sunday, like most pill organizers. Now it's one case, and when you open it, it's all these little cases that come out. Now this could be for one person that has a lot of vitamins or pills. If you unfortunately have some kind of disorder or disease where you have to take, you know, morning, day, evening, you know, late evening pills or middle of the night pills, you can do that. What I do is, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you know, I'm going through the week, and then the top row is my husband's vitamins, then my vitamins, my daughter's vitamins, and then my baby's vitamins. So, and there's, I mean, I haven't refilled it. I usually try to refill it Sunday, sometime on Sunday, so it's all set to go for Monday. And my daughter, her vitamins, she just takes elderberry, an elderberry gummy and melatonin. And my son just takes an elderberry gummy, and he loves it. Like, he runs over and he's like, vitamin. You know, I'm like, you can't have 200, you can't have like 200 elderberry gummies. It just makes it really convenient and easy. We have a lot of vitamins. So I have a few last things here. Oh, I have these wool dryer balls, guys. I got this, they came in a set of, I believe, either 6 or 8. And I stopped using dryer sheets years ago. They're just so bad for the environment. I wasn't really using anything, and my stuff wasn't too staticky. Excuse me. Duncan's break. Oh, it wasn't too staticky, but you know, I know a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, but I just need something. Wool dryer ball. These will last you forever. And every now and then what I will do is add a few drops of like lavender essential oil, or you could do lemon or any kind of citrus or peppermint if everyone wants to smell minty, onto these, and it will not only fluff and help dry your clothes, but it'll also make them smell lovely. So recommend those. I'm trying to see, I have all my stuff here. Did I go through everything? Okay, a few plant things. Okay, I got not this plant, but see this bright yellow thing? There is a little fruit fly or some kind of fly stuck to it, and it's just a little sticky thing. And that's what it's supposed to do. My daughter is obsessed with bugs right now, like in a bad way. Like, she hates them, she wants to kill them all. She's like, mommy, buggy. So I put that there to help a sister out, literally. It was a whole pack of them, so it's just something that's easy to stick in, that's not oh wow, I think the plant up there has like a bunch of bugs. Yes, see, this is the stuff that I'm like living for. And the last two things I will show, this is Clyde's garden planner. Yeah, guys, like everyone else, I got into gardening. Clyde's garden planner actually shows you, you can just Google your frost date. So like I Googled my zip code and for you know, fall frost date, and I think it's like October 15th. So you would just put this, like this red line, you just line it up with the date, and then it shows you all of the vegetables that you can plant. And it has this little legend. So the green checks are when you would expect to harvest. So it's like, if my frost date is, you know, early mid-October, even though most likely We don't really get frost maybe till like the end of October, but it could be as early as, you know, October 14th, 15th. You know, through basically now till then, I can be harvesting all of these depending when I'm going to plant them. So you just work backwards. And it's just really cool because it shows you, like, if you wanted to grow summer squash, LP, last outdoor planting dates, would be July 12th. I actually got a summer squash that harvests in 50 days. So that actually gave me more than enough time. It gave me like an extra 2 weeks of leeway there. So, and then I would be able to harvest throughout September. So I planted around here. I'll be able to harvest late September, early October. And then it even tells you if you need to protect it from heat, that kind of thing. And it's the same thing on the other side. It just shows you your first frost date, I think. Oh, that's, yeah, the last spring frost date. So this thing was $5 and it just made it really easy. This information, it can be found online, and I was finding it online. I was just finding myself Googling it like every other day. So it was just easier to have like a little card on hand. And is that it? Oh, and the last thing I will have to take a picture of, let me just like lean back for a second. I'm gonna look at it now. It is a little plant propagation station. That's what I like to call it. It is so cute, as you can see. It's just these 3 little glass vases, and I have pothos clippings in there. Growing some nice roots. I will be planting those in with their mama soon. And it's so pretty. It's so much better than like random cups or mugs or, you know, and it's just like a beautiful display piece. So that's it, guys. Those are my picks. Oh no, I forgot the items I don't like. Guys, this facial steamer, everyone is obsessed with this facial steamer. The idea of it's nice. It's like, oh, it's like a, you know, a spa, you know, steam your face. First of all, I got 2 babies at home. I don't got time to steam my face. Also, at night after they're in bed, that's when I could probably do it. I don't want to be sweating. I don't want to do all this stuff. I'm exhausted. I want to lay down. But it's just kind of like, I feel like it's just so gimmicky. If you have the time and you're really into skincare and pampering yourself, do it. I think you'll love it. But at the same time, I'm just kind of like, I don't got time for that. It's just such a fad. You know, like all the YouTubers are doing it, so I want to do it. Save your $36 to $50. That's what I have to say. Also, this pore vacuum, let me go get it. I got this pore vacuum. It's like 20 bucks. I get like some bumps on my nose, and I thought it might be able to help, but it's not stuff I can suck out, and I'm not gonna pop it. Like, I don't know what it is, so whatever, it's gross. This is what it looks like. It has these different heads. We can actually, I'm still within the window of returning it, so I'm going to. Guys, just stop messing with your face. That's like all I can say. Like, we need to stop messing with our faces. We are going to hurt ourselves and do things that we shouldn't be doing. It did nothing. I felt like maybe, I'm like, is my nose softer? And then I was like, you know what? Nothing has changed. Nothing is different. It's just, once again, these like little things that you're like, I'll do this at home, and then you're spending like $300. I mean, I bought this facial steamer, and then this guy. It's like, I could have just gone and gotten a facial somewhere for like 50, 60 bucks. And the last thing are these leggings. When I get leggings, I am specifically looking for leggings that if you squat, you cannot see through. These leggings I put on and you could see through. Like, you could see through the back, the front. You could tell if you're wearing a thong or regular underwear. And some of the, like, none of the reviews said that. They all said like they were squat proof. And I'm like, I don't know. And I didn't get a size that was too small either. They were so cute. I loved like the orange ombre. They were just like the cutest things. I returned those bad boys. Ain't nobody got time to be losing out on money right now, okay? First of all, we shouldn't be spending all this money on useless things and unnecessary things. But if you're going to, these are some ideas of what to get and what not to get. So with that said, I will let you guys go. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. I hope you enjoyed. Leave video ideas in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.